Hi guys, today I'm playing Grow a Garden on Roblox, and I just played Grow a Candy Garden, so now I'm playing Grow a Garden, and I actually played this like a month ago, and so now I see what it looks like when it's grown, and I didn't know I had a palm tree until I joined this game. I just collected some though, so okay, I'll give you my little tour of my okay. Right here, this is my strawberry little garden. Yeah, so cute. Look at my little strawberries. Up here is my palm tree. This is where I don't know what they are, Loki, but this is my little pet. I named him Fred, because why not, you know? Here's some tomatoes. This is corn. My dog just growled, bro. Okay, this is blueberries. This is where, banana things are, but yeah. Let's sell my inventory. And I think these are really good or something. I don't know. I kind of want to buy some seeds though. The one thing I hate about this game, any game like this, is that it takes forever for the shop. Also, what does it mean for shekels? It always says like my mole digs up some type of shekels, and I'm so confused because, oh my gosh, there's a bee. That's cute. Okay. See, look how nice their garden is. Mine looks so bad over there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Can I get an egg? How much? It's a lot of money. I can almost get the rare egg. Cosmetics. Dang, that's a lot of money. Let's not do that. Gear. This is also so much. Dang. Okay, let's look at the daily quest. 100 carrot seeds. Okay, so what are carrot seeds? Let's see. I have to do a lot of those, okay? Bet. Because these are really cheap. So, yeah. 1, 2. Get out of the way. Whoa! What the heck just happened? I don't know what just happened, but okay. Wait, I have to go all the way over there again. I wish I had faster speed. Yeah, these are my two pets. It's Mimi and Samara, I guess? I don't know. I think that's the name. Who knows, guys? Okay, I still need to get so much more seeds. Dang, bro. Okay, I guess I could try to work on that, maybe? I'm just gonna collect for right now. See, those are my little bananas. Don't think you can really see it, but it's right there. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Collect all these. Collect all these carrots that literally just go away so fast. And up here. Whoa! I didn't mean to do that. Bee swarm. Whoa! Who are you? Go away. Go away. Wait, is that good? I just collected it. Is the bees good? I don't know. Stop. That scared me. Is the bees good or something? Oh, whatever. Wait, let me look at my inventory. What? Whoa! Pollinated? I don't know what that is. What the? Oh, that's a seed? My bad. I want to see. Where's my mutated? Right here, right here. Got it, got it. Okay, I'm gonna feed this to the person, the bee, I think. Right here. I don't know what this does, but here, queen bee. I want to trade honey. Whoa. How do I get more honey? Okay, so I keep getting like mutated plants. Okay, bet. Okay, I got the mutated. I think. Did I get it? Whoa, I still have a lot. Where does it say mutated? Gold blueberry, bet. But I need mutated. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly sell all this. Because it's making me flip out. I don't see any mutated anything. Okay, right here is... I'm gonna go give it to that person again. Another one? Why is there so much bees coming? Thank you, I guess? Dang, how much do I have to give? Okay, why is it raining? Is that a good thing that it's raining? Does that mean my plants will grow faster? Oh my gosh, I have so much left. You kidding, bro? Wait, I have another one. I forgot. I have a... Dang, the bees are still coming. Whoa! Do you guys see that? There's like... Okay, I have so much more to give. Okay, it's good that they're coming fast, though. Get that one, and then... Hello, bee? Whoa. Hello there. This is so confusing. Okay, I got another one. And they're cooking right now, guys. Here you go. Oh, I have to fill this jar up. Dang. It's gonna take forever. I didn't mean to come back. Why does it say 27? Why does it have a timer on the screen? Did you guys see that? That was kind of creepy. I have 2 pollinated strawberries. Here's one. Here's another. Okay, I'm cooking right now. Pollinated strawberry. Pollinated corn, bet. Okay, go back to the bee thing. Okay, I'm cooking, I think, maybe? I see a tomato, pollinated tomato. Wait, she's coming, he's coming. The bee's coming again. Get that one too. Okay. I'm doing very well with the pollination things. Bees really love my garden, I guess. Okay, I have another one. Somewhere. I did. Never mind. Okay, I guess. I can get bamboo, but I don't want bamboo. I am stuck, guys. I am with this pollination thing. I am invested in it now. What will I get? That. I need that pollination one. What's pollinated? Because I don't know. Hello? Where's the bee? Is it up there? Whoa, there's some up here. This one. This one. This is where they've been. Okay. More pollination stuff. I'm almost done, guys. Oh, here comes the bee. It's coming to my thing again. And then I have 2 more. Whoa, what'd I just do? I have another one, though. Whoa. Is this a jar I'm getting? What does it do? Oh, I have to wait that amount of time? Okay, bet. Where'd I put this, though? Can I just keep it in my inventory? That means I can't do anything right now. Another pollination. I just have to wait 2 amount of minutes. Blueberry pollinated. I don't see any others for right now. Okay. This is kind of fun, low-key. Oh, another one? Where's the bee come from? Oh, over there. It's one of the strawberries. Get that one, strawberry. And 1 minute and 44 seconds. Okay, it's almost there. Hello, bee. I'm just gonna wait here for a second. Okay, wait, no, actually, I'm gonna collect all the pollinated ones I have, because then I can do it again. Another pollinated tomato. Any up there? No. Nothing so far. Oh, there's another pollination one. It's like stuck in the corners. How am I supposed to get it? Okay, I just got a pollinated blueberry. Oh, wait, I'm gonna get this one that bee get. Okay, and then do I get the jar yet? Just put all the pollinations in there. 24 seconds, okay. Just gotta wait this. Boom. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 honey. Flower seed pack. Oh, I just bought it. Do I have any more honey? No, I just spent it all. Wow, okay. But now, do all the pollinated stuff. Pollinated. More pollinated. More pollinated. Wait, I have more. More pollinated. More pollinated. And then I have one more pollinated. Here we go. Here we go. Already? Dang, okay. Guys, I'm invested in this bee event, okay?